Hello everyone, my name is Coco Sherelle and welcome to my channel Bling. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you all are safe and well. Today I have a corset from Fredericks of Hollywood that I will be embellishing with rhinestones and pearls. This will be worn underneath a suit jacket for a glamorous look. I have a second corset that I will be also embellishing with some rhinestones and pearls. Stay tuned if you would like to see how I got both of these corsets designed. And give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Bling family. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, let's get started. So all materials, or at least something similar, will be listed in the description box below. And as always, my process time will be sped up. To hold the structure of the corset, I place it around cardboard. I also use plastic so that when I use the glue, the corset won't get stuck to the cardboard. I will be starting with my rhinestone chain trim. I'll be placing these around a lot of the seams of the corset. I will be using E6000 glue to adhere everything to the corset. Yes, E6000 glue on the corset. Trust me, this is going to give an amazing hold. And don't forget to be in a well-ventilated area when using this glue. I'm adhering the rhinestones in a polka dot style. Now that I have both columns done, it's time for me to add the pearls. These half pearls range from 3mm to 9mm. And don't forget, all items will be listed in the description box below. I'm using 4mm pearls to outline the bottom bra area. This is my favorite part of the design, the bra area. I'm adding the pearls on in a polka dot style. using size 8 and 9 millimeter. It's time to glam this up some more using my Rhinestone Chain trim in size 2 millimeter. I added the Rhinestone Chain at the top of the bra so it can complement the bottom. Now I'm going in with the 4 millimeter Rhinestone Chain. Using various size half pearls, I'm completing the rest of the bra and the polka dot pattern. I'm using pearl size 5 millimeter to outline the rhinestone chain on the body of the corset. I'm almost done with the bra area. Now it's time to move on to the middle section. I will be repeating the same style in the middle section and along the sides. Just like in the bra area, I'm using rhinestone chain size 2 millimeter first, then followed by the 4 millimeter. I'm nearing the finish line, guys. This corset is almost done. Yes, guys, yes. Ooh, look at this. Isn't she amazing? I am finally done. This was a labor of love, but I love the way it came out. Look at the detail in this corset. Yes, she is absolutely gorgeous and everything. I made it to be very symmetrical and dramatic, and I think this is going to look amazing underneath a suit jacket for a glamorous look. Unfortunately, I don't have the suit jacket here to show you the complete look. But guys, what would you do? Would you wear this underneath a suit jacket, or would you wear it by itself? Or where would you wear it to? Let me know in the comment section below. Well guys, this is my second corset that I designed and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. I embellished it with more pearls than rhinestones for a different look. Guys, let me know in the comment section below which one you prefer, the first one or the second one. The first one has more details and very dramatic, and this one is a little bit more calm. Which one would you wear? Once again guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and become part of the Bling family. And if you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Stay blessed everyone. Bye.